Hi everyone, peace to you all. I am Masood Saeed, a social science psychologist. Have you ever wondered why we humans are capable of complex planning, decision making, and moderating social behavior? The key lies within a small area of our brain, the prefrontal cortex. Historically, this region has been a subject of fascination. Ancient Egyptian texts, such as the Edwin Smith Papyrus, hint at an understanding of the brain's importance in personality and behavior, though they did not identify the prefrontal cortex specifically. In contrast, scientists today have a more nuanced understanding. Neurologist Antonio Damasio, in his book Descartes' Error, emphasizes the role of the prefrontal cortex in decision making and social behavior. He argues that emotional processes, often thought to be instinctual and irrational, are actually refined and evolved responses crucial to human survival. On the other hand, Dr. Daniel Siegel, in his work Mindsight, highlights the prefrontal cortex role in introspection and empathy. He posits that this region helps us understand other people's minds, enabling us to empathize and connect with them on a deeper level. Shifting gears, the medical community also has a vested interest in the prefrontal cortex. Neurosurgeon Dr. Wilder Penfield, through his extensive work on epilepsy, discovered that stimulating the prefrontal cortex could trigger complex memories. His findings, published in The Mystery of the Mind, shed light on the region's role in memory recall. Religious scriptures, too, have their unique perspectives. Though they do not mention the prefrontal cortex directly, many emphasize the importance of intellect and wisdom, concepts closely tied to the functions of this brain region. For instance, the Quran, in Surah Al-Alaq, highlights the significance of learning and understanding, indirectly referring to the cognitive capabilities facilitated by the prefrontal cortex. Famous Muslim scholar Al-Ghazali echoes this sentiment in his work, The Alchemy of Happiness. He argues that the heart, often considered the seat of understanding in Islamic thought, works in tandem with the intellect to achieve wisdom. This aligns with the modern understanding of the prefrontal cortex's role in integrating emotional and cognitive processes. As we delve deeper into the realm of intellect and wisdom, let's turn to the insights provided by renowned Muslim scholars that strike a chord with our modern understanding of the prefrontal cortex. Firstly, Ibn Sina, known in the West as Avicenna, emphasized the role of the intellect, OQL, in shaping human behavior. In his notable work, Kitab al-Shifa, or the Book of Healing, he stated, translated into English, the intellect is a divine gift that distinguishes humans from animals. Next, we have Al-Farabi, another prominent philosopher who held a profound perspective on wisdom and understanding. His work, Fusus al-Hikam, contains this thought-provoking quote, translated into English by, "Wisdom is the light of the intellect, and the intellect is the light of the heart." Lastly, Al-Kindi, often referred to as the first philosopher of the Arab world, discussed the integration of emotional and cognitive processes. In his treatise, Fi al-Falsafa al-Ula, or On First Philosophy, he said, translated into English by, "The soul is a mirror reflecting the universe, integrating emotions and thoughts into a coherent whole." These scholars' insights resonate remarkably with a modern understanding of the prefrontal cortex's role in integrating emotional and cognitive processes. Their ancient wisdom, remarkably, aligns with our contemporary scientific perspective, further emphasizing the timeless relevance of their insights. Summary: the prefrontal cortex has been a topic of curiosity across a spectrum of disciplines. Historically, it garnered attention for its crucial role in personality and behavior attributes. Today's scientists accentuate its involvement in decision-making, societal behavior, introspection, and empathy. Medical professionals underscore its function in recollecting memories. In addition, religious texts and scholars subtly point out its cognitive prowess in their debates on intellect and wisdom. It appears the prefrontal cortex, despite its small size, carries substantial responsibilities. It influences our choices, forges our connections, revives our memories, and aids in our comprehension. In many aspects, it represents the crux of what characterizes us as humans. Do not forget to click on the like, subscribe, and share buttons.